Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive 7-passenger V6. Included in your upgrade is your power slide doors as well as your touch panel display integrated with your Entune 3.0 app series, with things like your Scout GPS, your traffic updates, all synced from your phone for the ultimate driving convenience. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features. Unlocking your Sienna, simply use your key to unlock that driver's side, and then you have your power locks on the side. Right now you have a two-tone sophisticated interior. You also do have your power windows and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here you have your traction control as well as your power sliding doors for both your rear passenger side. You have your all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, and a power adjustable driver's seat so you're driving away in the ultimate comfort. And check out your versatile cloth interiors all throughout that are extremely plush and comfortable, so you definitely have to come in and try them out for yourself here. Now you can also activate your power slide doors from the side here, which they open up, and it's nice for you when you're leaving. You can close those doors. You also do have a button operated system on the top of the driver's seat there as well. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake there and that key in the ignition. Your dashboard's gonna lay down. You have your welcome screen, and you also do have your ambient lighting. We'll turn down that fan so you can see me, and then we'll turn off that message there so that you can take a look at your multi-information display on your dashboard. So you can control this information display with your steering wheel mounted controls. Opening up your settings now, you'll see that you have your Toyota safety sense features like your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert. With your controls here, you can turn on and off those alerts as well as set the sensitivity of those sensors. You also do have your volume control, mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on this side here. And then below you'll find your dynamic radar cruise control, which is a distance keeping feature part of Toyota safety sense as well. Then you have your cruise control below your steering wheel. Taking a look at your LCD screen now. A nice modern touch to your Sienna, fully loaded with applications. Now opening up your audio system first, so you have your AM/FM radio. You also do have your Sirius XM radio, your CD player on top with your Bluetooth audio, USB, and auxiliary input. Now, taking a closer look, you can see that you have your Slack radio as well as your NPR One Radio, which is part of your Entune app suite. So you have things like your Scout GPS as well as traffic updates, sport updates, nearest gas station, and weather, all synced to your phone so that you're nice and connected with your daily driving. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here, a standard feature in all 2018 Toyotas to ensure that you are kept nice and safe. Below here, you'll find that you have your tri-zone climate control, so another digital display. You can turn on the rear passenger temperature. Pops up there. You can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger side. Your rear passengers also do have a climate control panel above the seat behind the driver's side there. They can make sure that they're nice and comfortable as well. You also do have your electronic automatic climate control plus your air conditioning so that you're nice and cool during those hot summer months. On your shift knob here, you do have your sport drive mode. You also do have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger, a must in Alberta, especially with the unpredictable weather. You have your USB auxiliary input plus your 12-volt DC charger. You have some additional cup holders because sometimes you need more than one coffee that day. You also have another 12-volt DC charger below with media storage. You have your ambient lighting inside of your cup holders, plus you have a nice center console. And of course, behind your center console, you need all your charging stations. So you have 2 USB chargers plus one 120-volt AC plug-in, so everyone can make sure all of their media is charged up. Now you have a dual compartment glove box here. So you have that top compartment built right into your dashboard, all about a functionality inside of your Sienna. And of course you have a locked glove box with all of the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna, and that lock again to keep everything nice and safe. Plenty of sophisticated and functional details built right into your Sienna, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper hidden underneath your spoiler detail there. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have a skid plate to keep everything protected. Opening up that lift gate now. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Sienna. You have a nice deep compartment here where your third row seating can be stored flat. You also have some additional storage on the side, plus your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Your spare tire is stored underneath your Sienna. You have your 12-volt DC charger plus a cargo lamp for visibility. Now your third row seating, all of the instructions are right on the back there, and it's a very easy and convenient way to store away those seats. So why don't we take a look? Storing that third row seating now, check out all of that space that's available to you in the back of your Sienna. Those rear passenger seats also completely removed, so you have plenty of space to carry any larger items you need in the back of your Sienna. Now, closing it up, simply grab that handle there. It'll drop down, and as you can see, you also have that LE all-wheel drive badging as we take one more look at the back of your Sienna. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive 7-passenger V6. Built right into your Sienna is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.